Hello guys, hope mko poa. I know this will come as a shock to you, but nilisema ni address kwa sababu ni kitu inanisumbua. I know you know for the past like 2-3 days a lot of you are concerned. Nimeona comment section zenu, nimeona messages zenu, nimeona kwa live mnaniuliza where is Miss L? Where is Miss L? Why are you not shooting together? Why are you not doing this and this together like before? So just to clear the air, ndio nilikuwa nasema wacha niwaambie sasa mbivu na mbichi. So for now, me and Miss L, it has been like 3 days since tuachane. So me and Miss L, we have parted ways. Just to clear the air for the brands that I'm working with.